Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Rashid and today I'm here for you once again. And today we are going to discuss about the line and paragraph spacing. This is very mandatory and this is very useful feature. Whenever you are working on your reports on your document, then line spacing and paragraph spacing is very mandatory. And just follow me. Some paragraphs are here. First of all, I will just select my alt text and this is the option which is responsible for line spacing and paragraph spacing. If I want to remove all the space between the paragraph and the lines, I can click on remove space, right? And from here the space which is officially accepted, that is 1.5, and from here I can select just 1.5. So now this is the best solution, this is the best way, this is the best solution for the line spacing and paragraph spacing, but you can use according to your requirement, according to your desire, according to your wish, right? So there are some options as well, like you can work on one. Firstly, I need to select all the text, 2, 2.2, 3. And some customized features are also here. I can go to line spacing options, right? From here I can select if I want to add some space before the paragraph, then I will give number on here, and if I want to give some space after the paragraph, then I will some put some point here, right? This is for the paragraph, this is for the paragraph, this is for the paragraph, and this is for the line, for line spacing, that is responsible for the paragraph, this is for line spacing. So this is the customized way by which you can customize your line and your paragraph, and you just need to play with these tools according to your requirement, according to your report, according to your if you are working on any report, any thesis, so there will be mentioned in that thesis that you need to put 1.5 or 1.15, so you need to just play the game according to your requirement. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you very much for your time. See you.